Single service versus multi-service app. What's a better app idea for you? Alright, picture this. You're launching your dream app. Do you go for a single service app, like a food delivery app? Or do you create a multi-service app, a one-stop shop, where users can get burgers, groceries, taxis, and even book a plumber, all in one? This is a big decision, and today we're breaking it down. Single versus multi-service apps. Which one makes more sense for you? Let's find out. First up for discussion is costs, because let's be real, the budget is king. Single service apps. They're like ordering just a burger, simple, affordable, and quick to set up. The cost to develop a single service app starts at around $10,000 and goes up depending on features. Multi-service apps, on the other hand, are like building an entire restaurant. More options, more complexity, and yes, more money. Expect to invest at least $20,000 for a basic app. It goes higher as you add on the features. But hey, more services mean more revenue streams. We'll get to that in some time. Time is money, people. A single service app can be ready in 3 to 6 months, depending on features. But if we talk about multi-service apps, they take longer. Building one can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months, sometimes more. You're integrating multiple services, payment gateways, and ensuring a smooth user experience. But here's the hack. If you use a white label solution like QuickWorks, your timeline shrinks. We're talking weeks, not months. Okay, let's talk money-making now. Single-service apps have focused revenue streams. Think DoorDash, which made over $8 billion in 2023 just from food delivery. But you'll need a large user base to scale. Multi-service apps, on the other hand, are the Swiss Army knife of business. Think Gojek or Grab. They offer rides, deliveries, payments, and more. Grab made over $1 billion in revenue in Q3 2023 alone, all because they diversified. More services mean multiple ways to earn: commission fees, subscriptions, delivery charges. But it also means more investment in operations and marketing. So, if you're thinking of launching a super app, plan big. So, what's the right choice for you? Here's the cheat sheet. If you want to launch fast, keep costs low, and dominate a niche, go for a single service app. If you have more budget, want to scale big, and create an all-in-one platform, multi-service is your game. Either way, QuickWorks has your back with ready-to-launch, white label solutions for food delivery, grocery, taxi, home services, e-commerce, and more. So, single or multi-service? Which one's your pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you're ready to build your app or still have any questions, hit us up at QuickWorks. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insights on launching your dream business. See you in the next one.